If you are the type that have been thinking of buy a verified Alipay account, or you have already purchased a verified Alipay account from any third party, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end to know everything about this particular buying or purchasing of a verified Alipay account from a third party. This practice is very common for most people that do not have international passport to verify their Alipay account. There are advantages to this and there are disadvantages to this, which I'm going to explain everything to you right here in this video. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Alipay topic like this. So with that being said, let's start with it. Now, let me simply explain some of the reasons why people make a purchase of Alipay account that has been verified. One of the reasons is that they do not have international passport. That is the basic reason why people purchase Alipay account from a verified vendor. Now, the danger of this is that if you purchase an Alipay account from a vendor and you have been using the account, you can fund the account. You can use the account to do anything, provided that the account does not have any violation or does not have any reporting case on that. There is no any reporting case on that account. You can use it. Anywhere you have, you can use the account. But immediately you have problem with the account during the time you are using it, that is when you know that purchasing a verified Alipay account is a dangerous game. So now, when you have issue with the account and the account, you are not the fully verified owner of that account, that is where you enter into trouble with Alipay customer support. Because no matter what issue you have with that account, Alipay customer service, when you contact them, they will always ask for a proof that you are the owner of the account. This is one of the danger. Now, if you have issue, maybe the account is frozen or you have a report case that needs you to provide your identity and you have fund in that particular account, this is how a lot of people are missing fund in the Alipay account because you cannot provide the proof that you are the real owner of the account because you purchased the account from someone else. So this is the danger that are attached to it. I do not know the reason why people are still doing this. A lot of people are still coming to my DM asking me that, do I sell Alipay account verified? I do not do that because of the danger involved. So if you are the type that you have purchased Alipay account from a verified vendor or you are planning to do it right now, please abort the mission, or else you want to put yourself in a serious danger because you are not secure and you are not safe because the account is not fully verified by you. How can you claim what that is not belong to you if you have issue? So this is what I have for you as far as trying or contemplate of buying an Alipay account verified from a vendor. Now, to put an end to this particular insane practice, make sure you get your international passport, use it to verify your Alipay account so that if you have issue with that account, so you can be 100% gallant to defend whatever you have with that account. With your means of identity, your international passport, every detail that the Alipay is going to ask you, you'll be able to provide with them. It's that simple. This is what I have for you as far as everything you need to know about trying to make a purchase of a verified Alipay account from a vendor or from a third party. This is the danger involved. I hope you really learned something from this video. If you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put the question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.